Hello, everybody. My name is Regina Glass, and I am the Executive Director of Hope Ministries of Northeast Texas. And what you see going on behind me tonight is the yearly Christmas party with the Hope families and Diamond Sea Trailers. So for those of you that don't know, Hope is a multi-generational community of single mothers and also seniors. In our nation, there are 8.9 million single mothers that wake up every day to parent alone. And that's why Hope exists, to offer a 3 to 4 year transformational opportunity for a mother to come in, clean up her credit, get an education, and just find a better way to support her family. They may be dealing with healing from past trauma, and as the mother is set free, the children are set free. Also, we have seniors with us, and our seniors add value to our Hope family. They find value with us, and they offer that grandmother side of the family unit. They come alongside the mothers as tight as two women, teaching the younger generation the biblical model of way to live. And so what we expect to see in the future for Hope is expansion, not just here locally in Mount Pleasant, as we are able to offer help to 31 more families, but also across our nation. We recently trained with Minnesota, Ohio, and California to represent this model in their city and state. And so what tonight means to us is just an opportunity to experience the love of this community. We're very blessed by the generous support of Diamond Sea Trailers, and it's more than just Christmas gifts for our families. And it is nice that our mothers get to experience just the abundant love of the Father through people like Diamond Sea. And so we just want to thank you and wish you a very Merry Christmas.